Welcome to TT's Corner. Today I want to give a big shout out to Natalie from Jamaica Politics Uncovered. Yes, Natalie, you never call my name, but me a answer. Guess what? See my birth paper here, and I want every well-thinking Jamaican, anytime, especially the ones in Jamaica, anytime you hear Marky British and it misfits them, say them gonna have a protest, me I ask every well-thinking Jamaican to show up at the protest with a birth paper in our hand. Yeah, and that I want to do. That a phone counter protest. Just show up with a birth paper, hold it up. Yes, make Marky British see. Because him need to come and show him birth paper. Because right now, trust me, I don't think him have one. I don't think him have no Jamaican birth certificate. Because you know and I know he is not a Jamaican.